Good evening everyone, my name is Subramaniam and I'm from DLS 2P. My metric number is 23 DLS 20F 2036 and my teammate's name is Dachini Krishnan and Sharvina Dureraju.
My name is Dachini Krishnan. I'm from DLS 2B. My metric number is 23 DLS 20F 2030. Today I'm going to discuss about national income equilibrium. The definition of national income equilibrium refers to a situation when the level of national output, commonly measured as a gross domestic product, it's called GDP, is stable over time. There are two ways to understand GDP equilibrium. The first thing is aggregate supply. Aggregate supply is the total quantity of goods and services produced in an economy in a given period of time. The second thing is aggregate demand. Aggregate demand is the total demand for goods and services in the economy. In national equilibrium, have three sectors. The first one is two-sector economy. The definition of two-sector economy is a two-sector model of income determination of an economy consists only of domestic and business sectors. Equilibrium in two-sector economy is a simple economy which consists of two agents only, namely household and farms. The formula for two-sector economy is C equals A plus B y D. And the second sector is three-sector economy. A three-sector model of income determination consists of a two-sector model and the government sector. The government increases aggregate demand by spending on goods and services. Equilibrium in a three-sector economy consists household, farms and government. The formula for three-sector economy is Y equals to C plus I plus G. The last sector economy is four-sector. The definition of four-sector economy is national income is determined in an open economy. This means that we have to add imports and exports and government expenditure and taxation in our analysis. It may be noted that government expenditure are like investment because they raise the demand for goods. On the other hand, taxes are leakage in the national income like a savings because they tend to reduce the demand for consumer goods. Equilibrium in four-sector economy consists its household, farms, government and foreign sector. The formula for four-sector economy is Y equals to C plus I plus G plus in bracket X minus M. The last national income equilibrium is multiplier. Multiplier is the ratio of a country's additional national income to the initial boost in spending in taxes that lead to that extra income.
So now I'm going to explain about past questions of national income equilibrium. So there is three types of sector economy, so which is two-sector economy, three-sector economy and last four-sector economy. So question number one is two-sector economy. So the given the following information: Roman number 1 autonomous consumption 100, Roman number 2 MPC is equal to 0.7, Roman number 3 autonomous investment is equal to 500. So this is a question. So the answer is C is equal to A plus B y D and C is equal to 100 plus 0.7 yd. So the main process is AS is equal to AD, Y is equal to 100 plus 0.7 yd plus 500. So 0.3y divided by 600, so we got y is equal to RM 2000. And question number 2 is three-sector economy. So the question is giving the following information: Roman number 1 C is equal to 200 plus 0.7 yd, Roman number 2 I is equal to 100, Roman number 3 G is equal to 50, Roman number 4 t is equal to 0.2y. So the answer is y is equal to c plus I plus g. So y is equal to 200 plus 0.75 yd plus 100 plus 50, and then y is equal to 350 plus 0.75 in bracket y minus 0.2y, and then y is equal to 350 plus 0.75. So we got in bracket 0.8y, and last y is equal to 350 plus 0.6y. So 0.4y divided by 300, so we got 875 million. And the last question is for sector economy. So the question is giving the following information. Roman number 1, c is equal to 200 plus 0.7 yd. Roman number 2, I is equal to